Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you back with another Edabit problem. This one's called return negative. So it says create a function that takes a number as an argument and returns negative of that number. Return negative numbers without any change. So as you can see, 4 positive number is changed into a negative 4. 15 is changed to negative 15. Now a negative 4 stays a negative 4. Okay, and as you can see 0 just stays 0. So what we're going to do is now go to the code tab. As you can see, it's an int function, so we're going to turn the number, obviously, and the argument inside the function is int n. So we're going to use an if-else statement. So if n is greater than 0, since it's any number greater than 0 is a positive number, we are going to return negative n. Else, since everything else will be a negative number, we're just going to return n, since it's already negative. All right, let's check. As you can see, it passed all the tests. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe for more Edabit videos. Thank you.